Hello everyone and welcome to Thrive Labs, the channel to learn all about technical analysis and the financial markets. And today we will be talking about Bitcoin as the ETF approval deadline is getting closer and closer. Now that date is getting actually closer and closer, as a matter of fact, it is most likely we are going to hear about this week, and I expect some volatility around that. I thought this would be a perfect time to take a closer look into the details and refine our view on the strength of Bitcoin that many people are having right now. We can assess Bitcoin's strength and weakness by breaking down the chart into key support and resistance levels. And as I'm trading cryptocurrencies on a daily basis and have been doing so for the last 6 years, this provides the framework of my trading ideas and helps me to make calm, confident decisions when it matters most at crucial price and time points. And for me, it all starts with looking at the overall context, and the situation currently is as follows. We have been simply ranging from December into the new year sideways, with an upper resistance band coming in here at around 44,500, with the lower band of that sideways range coming in at 40,300, more or less. We have seen a fake out to the upside upon New Year's Eve and into the new year, and then we have seen that as a fake out because we came back into the range and made a drop all the way to the downside. We have seen a very rapid recovery. We have been consolidating underneath resistance, which is to be classed bullish even within a range, and now we have broken to the upside with a candle close below, and that is currently where we are staying. So the situation currently is as follows. We have been breaking out of the range, and the overall structure of the price remains up on every single time frame. Therefore, the probability is in favor to the upside. However, we are at a very important region right now, because this is not necessarily a day trading region, but this is a swing trading region where we have seen a major increase in price ever so since the beginning of 2023, all the way now to what I deem towards the most important price region of the entire Bitcoin chart. So this is the moment where we can start toning down or zooming into the more local time frames. I'm still on a 4-hour time frame, but regardless of doing so, these are the following levels that I'm currently looking at. And as a trader, I have the perk of trading it level by level, and with each level, I can assess its strength or weakness. So currently, as you can see, we are pretty much trading in the middle of nowhere after having reclaimed important support levels, which were previously resistance. Now they are to be classed as support levels, and we're hovering here in the middle of nowhere currently, with the next really important level coming up at 48,925, where we could possibly see a surge in price, where this level has a high chance of getting a reaction. Now, if we do so, then we can look for that rejection to come in here for Bitcoin to be trading down initially towards that first important support level once again. If it does not give that reaction, then it shows a continued sign of strength, and upon breaching the level and backtesting it, we can start looking for the upper resistance band that I've here located here at 51,562, which is the next highest probability area where Bitcoin might face a stern reaction, whether that is to the most likely to the downside, right? So that is simply what we can look for on the condition that we claim this level. So in this way, I'm breaking down the overall massive resistance region, which really is this key area. I'm breaking this down in sub-levels where I can tone down and refine the chart, where I'm making level-based decisions. Reclaim this continued strength, react from this. We can see a reaction and we can look for lower levels. If we reclaim it, we can simply look for the next level. Now, if we do not do that and we start falling down from here, then we still have high probabilities of backtesting this important support level. After all, we have been ranging in the sideways range and we have broken out now. So it only would make sense for this to be support levels. If we do not hold this as support level, then this piece of price action can be classed once again as a fake out, and it is a tell to us, it is a sign that initial rise over here was not supposed to be, and it tells us that there is a problem with the uptrend. This will be the important level to check whether this is indeed support, and if all is good, we should bounce from here and still make our way to this level. If we lose the level, then we really have this lower support level coming in here around 44,965. If we start losing that level, then I would say all of this was after all a big fake out, and we're simply going back into the range, and we might even consider this to be a potential top. For that to hold true though, we need to drop much further, and we need to close below $40,000. Otherwise, personally, I would be classing it as a continuation of the sideways range with a high probability of still higher prices, however with a delay. What I'm talking here about right now is what are the chances that we're going to see a further increase in price in the short time frame. And this is currently my stance. As long as we hover and stay above these support levels, the probability of getting another price increase towards these higher levels before a much bigger reaction remains the most probable. If you are learning if you're interested in learning my methodology and how I actually get to these levels, what are the source of these levels, then you have the option to do so, to learn directly from me by joining our trading community. In there we trade, teach and guide you through daily price action when it matters most. You can learn about my methodology, but most importantly, we are focusing on practical application the most. If you want to know how you can join, check out the link in the description below this video. You can find it over here. And now let's talk about my positions. A lot of people are asking me every single day if I'm bullish or bearish, or are we in a bull or bear market. The thing is, whether Bitcoin is in a bull market or a bear market does not really influence my decision making in the slightest. If you've been following this channel for a while, then you are probably aware that I remain in swing long trades and have been so since the $20 to $27 range. That being said, we are, for me at least, are at a take profit area. So that means that I have started scaling off my longs somewhat, right? Because I do deem this as a major resistance area. And I will continue to do so even if we keep on increasing in price. This does not necessarily mean I'm bearish, but as we are trading right now at the most crucial price region on the entire Bitcoin chart, I need to do what makes the most sense to me. Therefore, I will take and have taken off some of the table, and if we do reject from this price zone, I will not hesitate to short Bitcoin if the signs are actually given to me. After all, the perk of being a trader is that I have the freedom, and I can come in to the market, make a plan and trade accordingly, whether that is long or short, it really holds no relevance to me. My job as a trader is to extract money from the market and give back as little profits as I possibly can. If you're interested where I'm trading, then check the links down below in the description for the exchanges that I trust the most and I use in a daily basis. If you use these links, then you can then you receive some nice bonuses as well and some discounts on your trading fees. So what do you think is the most likely thing to happen next? Leave a comment down below if you think Bitcoin will trade above $50,000 when the ETFs get approved or not. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Have a good day.